Hi there, I'm Sebastian from Upyard, and now I'm going to present you our next useful accessory for our guard boxes. We call it trellis support. You saw already our trellis, the metal one, and we recommend you to use this trellis together with this wooden support, which is available in two colors, in natural or in black. As majority of our products, it is produced in Latvia, so in Europe. The corners are cut so you can easily put it in the soil and use it for your climbing plants as tomatoes or cucumbers or any other climbing plants. Alternatively, you can use it to create a nice hideaway on your yard or on your balcony. So use our accessories and be creative in your garden.